Hi, we're here at Tampa Bay Auto Network to walk around a 2019 Toyota Yaris, taking a look at the small cosmetic imperfections we just can't get to show up in our 100 high definition photos. If you want to take a look at those photos and are on our YouTube page, click the link we provide in the description down below. Also, give us a like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to smash this bell. That's going to get you notified of our walkarounds as we make them. Now, let's go ahead and walk around the Yaris. All right, let's look at the 4-year-old 36,000-mile Yaris. As you can see, she shows great. There are a couple of touched up chips. One or two that's not. The bottom of the bumper is probably the worst one. When you back up, you can't see it. Front fender and door look great. There is a small ding that is really hard to show you here in the rear door on the passenger side. We're gonna go ahead and have that removed, along with two on the trunk lid. The rear quarter on the passenger side looks great. So does the rear bumper, except for a few minor chips, of course. And then we come around the driver's side. Rear quarter panel, both doors, front fender, all look fantastic. There's not ding, dent, or heavy scratch. Down here at the bottom, in the rocker, there's a small crease, very minor. And then as you're looking at the windshield, there's a couple little chips. The roof looks amazing. No clear coat issues. Just looks great. Well taken care of car. Let's look at the interior. Okay, looking at the black and blue cloth interior on the Yaris. As you can see, it's in great shape. If you stay tuned, you can hear the engine running. We're glad you could join us today. Hope you do again soon, and we also hope you have a fantastic day.